Hey there, so how to install Caroline Girvan X. So you can see this is the app by Caroline Girvan. And yeah, it's available as of today on iOS App Store and Google Play Store, Android, and then you can just easily install it. And then yeah, it should be good to go. App was just released. 80 plus new workouts to choose from, 6-week beginner program, a 10-week beast mode program, 50 plus how-to videos. So then yeah, you can just open up and then yeah, you can just easily sign up and create an account either with Apple, Google, or email.